Disclaimer. This gambling session was recorded in Malta. Please find out whether or not gambling is permitted where you are. Gambling is only allowed from the age of 18 and can be addictive. In the long run, you will lose money with gambling unless you are the casino boss.
Hey ho and welcome, hola chicas, hola chicos, hola chicorinos. Let's go. Ooh la la. Ooh la la, hopsasa. Ooh, sexy lady.
So guys, how is your day going?
I am playing another round of Lightning Roulette. Lightning Roulette is roulette. After a boob job, there are insane prizes to be won in this game. I bet almost $20,000 per round. Hi Daniela. Number 26.
And ladies and gentlemen, 26 black. High even number, congratulations winners.
I have a Twitter account. You can find all the information about me there, including where I play and so on. I would also be happy if you followed my Discord channel. The links to Discord and Twitter are in the video description. There will be competitions on Twitter and Discord and much more. Check it out. I know Twitter is now called X, but I still call it Twitter. Number 19.
Betting number 19, red. Congratulations to all the winners. New betting time is available for you.
I hope one of my favorite numbers comes up. 36 or 30, for example. That woman has a beautiful face. The presenter looks like a model.
Lightning numbers 4, 24, 35.
Why are all the women in Latvia such hotties? I don't know.
Ball lands on a number 19.
There are more hotties in Latvia than in any other country. Crazy country.
Hello all the newcomers, guys. What are your plans?
Almost all the evolution gaming stuff come from Latvia. Wages are low in Latvia and the women are pretty. A very good combination.
Numbers for this round, we have 1 and 34.
$25. It seems I bet on the wrong numbers in this session. Horrible session so far. Unbelievable bad luck. Unbelievable bad luck.
Thank you so much for the compliment. So guys,
when you're out of luck, it's essential to take a break from gambling. That's very important. Don't gamble too much. Always play responsibly. That's fucking important.
And let's see on which numbers the lightning strikes on this round. So it is
2, 6, 18.
Highest multiplier 500.
Number 2 would be amazing. Or number 6. 2 or 6, please. Come on, come on. Please. Please. Oh no. 32.
Ladies and gentlemen, winning number 32, red.
Please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you.
Welcome, newcomers. Nice to see you. Bets closed. Good luck, everyone. And the lightning numbers for this round, we have 2, 15, 19, and highest multiplier
2, 50, 19.
Good luck.
Come on, number 2, please. Number 2. Number 2, please. 27. Okay. One of my favorite numbers.
And ladies and gentlemen, winning number 27, red. High number, congratulations winners. Bets are open once again.
Nice win, but unfortunately not a lightning number. The cherry on top of this game is the lightning numbers.
That's close.
You need lightning numbers.
Lightning numbers for this round, let's see. And we have
5, 19,
and
22.
highest multiplier
What a
hundreds.
load of shit, come on. Why do the wrong numbers
Winning
always
number
come up in
15,
this game?
luck. Congratulations to all the winners. Special
Please.
to the top 5 winners. Thank you for playing. Your betting time is available once again. Feel free to place your bets for the next round. And guys, do you believe in astrology?
Nope.
If you do,
I believe in
don't decide,
gambling.
by the way. Bets are closed. Good luck. And letting numbers.
0, 4,
and
33.
Highest
Okay.
200x on 0.
I believe in gambling. Same like me. Nice chat.
Ladies and
12.
gentlemen, winning number
I
12.
believe in miracles.
Low even number. Congratulations to all the winners. Bets are open for you. Good Boy says that he's a unicorn. Well, I'm an Aries. The best sign, of course.
Oh my gosh. She's a cutie. Cutie pie.
Thank you. Bets are closed. Good luck, everyone. Let's see the lightning numbers now.
Last round for today.
And this time 13, 25, and 100x on 25. Good luck.
Number 16. That's it for today. Have a great day
And
and see you
result for this
soon.
round, number
Adios amigos.
16.
Finito bandito. Bye bye.
Congratulations,
Peace.
winners.
See you.
Enjoy. Bets are
Thanks
open for you.
for watching. Ciao ciao.